Hi, this is Hannah Taylor, and this is my overview video for Enhancement 6. And here I am at the home page, and the My Account button is showing. And I'm just going to log in real quick as my cat, Quiche. And when I log in, it brings me to the admin page, and he's user level 1, so the products management isn't showing. And when I validate HTML, I get no errors or warnings. And you'll see that the logout button appeared because I'm logged in as Quiche. And then I'll log out. It brings me back here to the My Account, and the cookie hasn't been deleted, so that's why Quiche still shows up. But when I go to click My Account, and I'm going to log in as the admin, and it brings me to the admin view. He is a level 3, so he gets to see this product management link, and the logout button shows. And when I'm able to click on these, and since he's a level 3, he can view all those views for product management. And then I can click log out, and it brings me here. And now I'm not logged in as anyone. So for the extra credit, if I access just the products page, it brings me straight back home. So anyone that's greater than quiet level 1 will be redirected here. Or if they're not even logged in, they can't access any of these views. Okay, and I believe that is all. Thank you for watching.